Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're watching right now, I'm guessing you're going through a situation that almost every woman experiences at some point. The guy you really like has suddenly started ignoring you. Just a few days or weeks ago, he was texting you every morning, sending funny memes, asking about your day, and making you feel special. But now, his replies are short, cold, or delayed. Sometimes he leaves you on read for hours or even days. He might still watch your Instagram stories or like your posts, but when it comes to real conversation, he's completely distant. You keep checking your phone, overthinking every message you sent, wondering what changed and why he's pulling away so suddenly. It's painful, confusing, and honestly exhausting. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful psychology trick that can completely flip this situation around and make an ignoring man suddenly unable to stop thinking about you. This isn't about chasing him, double texting, or sending emotional paragraphs. It's a smart, subtle, and highly effective psychological technique based on how the male mind actually responds to attraction, challenge, and emotional triggers. In this video, we're going to break everything down step by step. First, I'll explain exactly why men start ignoring women they were previously interested in. We'll dive into the real psychological reasons behind his sudden cold behavior. Things like fear of emotional intimacy, loss of challenge, taking you for granted, or even his own internal insecurities. Understanding his mindset is the first and most important step. Then, I'll reveal one specific psychology trick that creates an almost magnetic pull on him. This trick is rooted in proven concepts from psychology such as scarcity principle, emotional contrast, the rubber band theory, and the male instinct to pursue what feels like a reward instead of something easily available. When you apply this correctly, you stop being the one who's always available and quietly reposition yourself as the prize in his eyes, without looking desperate or playing obvious games. I'll also show you exactly how to use this trick in real life with practical examples. Whether he's the guy who used to message you good morning every single day and now leaves you on read, or the one who became distant right when things were starting to get deeper, this method can shift the dynamic in your favor. Throughout the video, I'll also cover the biggest mistakes most women make when a man starts ignoring them. These common mistakes actually push him further away and kill whatever attraction is left. By avoiding these errors and using the right psychology trick instead, you can bring his attention back naturally and healthily. If you're tired of feeling anxious every time his name pops up on your phone, tired of overanalyzing his texts, and ready to take back your power and self-respect, then this video is exactly what you need. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and stay with me until the very end. Because this one subtle change in your approach can dramatically change how he sees you, how much effort he puts in, and whether he starts chasing you again. Let's dive deep into the psychology of male attraction and discover the powerful trick to attract an ignoring man. Dear viewers, if you like this video, do share them with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.